In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix no sound problem on Windows 11. Now, if a Windows update knocked out your audio configuration pointer, your system may simply fail to realize the physical sound chip is plugged into the motherboard. So right-click the Start menu, and then go ahead and click on Device Manager, and it's going to look something like this. Then click on any item inside the list tree to highlight it, then look at the top menu bar layout, and then you're going to see this little icon right here where it says Scan for Hardware Changes. So all you want to do is go ahead and click on that, and then basically that's going to scan. Then scroll down and expand the branch labeled Sound, Video Game, and Controllers, which is going to be right here. And then expand it, and then it's then going to look like this. If your high definition audio device pops up back with a yellow triangle icon, right click it and then go ahead and uninstall the device. So once you go ahead and right click and then uninstall the device, immediately restart your laptop by just clicking on here and then just going and restarting like this. And then basically as a result, the Windows is automatically going to detect the unmapped audio and build a fresh uncorrupted driver block layout. And yeah, it's as simple as that.